This is the Recovery Plus by Pulsar Scientific. Your unit's going to come in a black bag with a roller so you can conveniently move it around. The first thing that you want to do is go ahead and take the unit and all the accessories out of the bag. You're going to have a power cord, a transfer cord, and then the cold therapy unit, as well as a body-specific wrap. These units are designed to turn on and off at different time intervals and go to a specific temperature. This one is programmed at 43 degrees and will turn on and off every 30 minutes. We'll walk through setting it up. First, you want to plug your power cord into the back. If you turn this unit around, you can see there's different attachments in the back here. And the power cord plugs in right there, just underneath the power button. Next, you want to attach the umbilical cord, the transfer cord. There's two different connections. It will only connect one way. It's a simple male to female connection. There's two larger hoses in which you plug directly into the larger slots. It does not matter what side the slot goes in. So they're interchangeable. Those are your inflow and outflow hoses for your water. The smaller hose is going to be for your compression. So that plugs in, clicks into place. If you need to release any of those, simply press the silver button and pull back. You're going to hear an audible click when it's in place. Next, take the opposite end and plug it into your body-specific wrap. These only connect one way, so you cannot mess this up. The male-female connectors have an audible click. Again, your liquid transfer hoses connect either way, to either side. There's an inflow and outflow. These can also be disconnected by pressing on the silver tabs. Once the unit and wrap are secured, you can turn the unit on in the back. You'll see the green light is on. Next, to turn the unit on in the front, you have another power button that you want to press and hold down for 2 to 3 seconds. And then as you release it, the unit will begin to power on. And will indicate press the up arrow to start. Simply press this up arrow, and you'll notice water begins to circulate. At that point, you can secure the wrap onto the body part and add any additional therapies as needed. If you're going to use DVT, you would set the DVT wraps up as well and select DVT. If you're using the compression, that's going to be the COMP button for compression. Each time you press the compression button, it will go through a series of pressure settings from 15 to 75 millimeters of mercury. A good starting point is 25 to 35 millimeters of mercury, and then you can adjust according to your pain threshold and your ability to be able to handle the pressure. That's typically going to be dependent on the amount of time after surgery. Right after surgery, you're probably going to be a little bit sore, so you might want to start with a lower setting or no compression at all. As you're able to tolerate a little more pressure, you can progress your therapy with a higher compression. To turn the compression off, simply press the compression until it cycles and does not indicate any compression. If your wrap inflates and you need to get it onto your body, release the pressure valve. That's where your air is going to go in. Press on the unit to get all of the air out, and that'll release the air.